Hello everyone. Uh, I'm Vasudha from EduCADD Yelachenahalli. Let me introduce myself. I have 8.5 years of industry experience in Accenture and Mindtree companies in data analytics. I have 2 years of experience as a trainer. Today we'll see career roadmap for data analytics. In EduCADD, we have a training for different streams like civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, architecture, IT, VLSI, embedded systems, PCB, digital marketing, etc. Uh, we'll see the success stories of EduCADD now. EduCADD is the most trusted skill training brand since 1999 for IT, mechanical, architecture, engineering, construction. With pan India presence of 160 plus training centers and dedicated and experienced team members with over 25,000 plus students trained with a record of 18,000 plus placements. EduCAD has partnered with world leading solution developers to provide the best and most comprehensive content. EduCAD has been awarded as the most preferred skill based training brand by Economic Times 2024. So we have one award as the most preferred skill-based franchise brand. So why you should choose EduCAD? We'll see this. So we have experienced and certified trainers, and the training is 100% practical. We'll give uh, whatever programs or any models or something so that you can learn it practically. You'll have a live project and case studies at the end of the course. We'll give you placement assistance like how to prepare for the interviews, mock interviews, and all that. We have flexible batch timings. We give resume preparation also. We'll help you for resume preparation also. We have internship opportunities. We have well equipped computer labs. We give reference books for all the courses. We have updated software versions. Online and offline classes are available. We have supporting learning environment. At the end of the course, we'll give a certificate, and we have soft skills training also. So we'll see how's the placements at EduCAD. We have many students placed so far, and we have job card which is powered by EduCAD. So at job card you can see like what are the different um, companies that are hiring. So we'll see the different topics like introduction to data analytics, why companies need data analytics, who can become a data analyst, most in demand skill, and what is the career roles and career roadmap for data analytics, what is the salary trends, and why you should learn with EduCAD. We'll see that also. So, what is data analytics? So, in a supermarket, every day you will have sales, customers, products sold, profit returns, all these things. These numbers alone don't help. So, data analytics means collecting data, cleaning data, understanding patterns, finding insights, making better business decisions. So, you have like data from Amazon like this, the date on which the order was placed, what is the customer name, state, or place, and then you have the category of product that has been ordered and subcategory of the product. Then you have sales amount, then what is the quantity of the product that you have ordered, and what is the profit that you have earned out of the sales. So this is the sales analysis that you have done. So you can have slices like this. What is the year, what is the month, and once you change the values here in the slices, all this bar graph and this donut chart values, they'll all change, and also the sales and profit values. So with this sales analysis, we'll get to know which product sells most, why are profits decreasing, and which customers are leaving. We can answer all such questions. We'll see a demo of uh, the sales dashboard. So this has been done using Power BI. So first we'll import data from Excel. So this is the data that you have. So you have the order ID, date on which the order was made, the region in which the sales is done, or who is the salesperson involved, what is the exact product that the customer has ordered, what is the units that the customer has ordered, what is the price of each product, and what is the total sales of this particular order. Those things are here, and I have imported this raw data, and it is a small data set consisting of 30 orders to Power BI. That data is here, and I've created this dashboard consisting of count of product by product, and I have two KPIs, total sales. This is a static KPI, and this is a dynamic KPI. Dynamic KPI means, so when I select any particular product here, it will change according to that, but this will not change. Uh, Whatever I select, it will not change here, it will remain the same throughout. So I have the different products sold, like chair, shoes, bottle, wallet, table, and these are the quantity of each of these products: 9 chairs, 9 shoes, 7 bottles, 3 wallets, and 2 tables. So I can, so whenever I click on this chair, as I told earlier, this will change accordingly. And this particular KPI, it is designed using three different columns, like product, region, and salesperson. So once I clicked on um, the chair, so I can see like region. So these are the regions: east, north, south. If I still click on east, I can see or who is the salesperson who is involved in east region. So only one salesperson, that is Charlie. So if I go up and select north, so I have only Alice. So this is drill mode, and accordingly the sales here, it keeps changing. So I selected wallet. So I have um the sales for wallet in west and north regions. So only Diana is involved for west, sales of wallet in west region. So we'll get back to the PPT. So when companies need analytics, so why companies need analytics? Um, Retail, banking, healthcare, e-commerce, manufacturing, education, all these sectors need data analytics. So whenever a customer places an order, data is generated. Whenever a customer searches for a product, data is generated. A customer clicks on advertisement, data is generated. Whenever a customer makes a payment, data is generated. Customer gives a review, data is generated. A company now has huge amounts of data. So earlier we did not have such huge amount of data generation, but with digital things coming up, we have huge data of getting collected. So we'll have to analyze which products are getting searched more. So there is whenever a customer searches for a particular product, there is higher probability of a product getting bought in next few days or months. So that is the idea. So the challenge for companies nowadays is no longer collecting data. The challenge is understanding the data and using it to make better decisions. That's where data analytics comes in. So we'll see what is the digital transformation that is happening. So in olden days, this is the traditional retail store that we had. So customer used to come to the cash counter and do paper billing. In modern retail, customer uh, orders for any product online, offline also sometimes, and you'll have a digital transaction. Even if you do offline transaction, you'll pay using phone pay or google pay, like that, so it comes under digital transaction only. So that time customer database gets recorded, and data analytics comes into picture. So who can become a data analyst? Programming background is not compulsory. So there is no hard and fast rule that you'll have to know some programming before learning data analytics. So working professionals can also uh, learn data analytics. Career break candidates can also learn data analytics. Freshers who have completed BCA, BSc, BCom, BE, MBA, MCA, they can also uh, can join data analytics course. So most in demand skill, I mean, data analytics is most one of the most in demand skill. So it helps in decision making. It is used in business intelligence, artificial intelligence, predictive analysis. It helps in global opportunities, and huge data generation is involved. And you can even work remotely. That is an advantage. We have different career roles as data analyst, BI analyst, business analyst, reporting analyst, Power BI developer, SQL developer, junior data scientist, analytics consultant. So, what a data analyst does, we'll see that. So, he analyzes data, creates reports, and identify business insights. What a business analyst does, he uses the data to improve business processes and solve business problems. What a BI analyst does is he builds dashboard using tools like Power BI. So reporting or MIS analyst, so he prepares business reports and performance metrics. What an operations analyst does, he improves operational efficiency using data. What a marketing analyst does, he measures campaign performance and customer behavior. So, what is the career roadmap for data analytics? We'll see that. So, you'll have to learn Excel, you'll have to learn SQL, you'll have to learn Power BI, then you'll have to learn Python also. After learning all these things, you can prepare a project. We'll be assisting you for that, and we'll help you in resume preparation. Then you're ready for interview. Finally, you'll get the job. So we'll see what is the salary trends for data analytics. Uh, Freshers data analyst salary will be like from 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. For mid-level data analyst salary will be 6 to 12 lakhs per annum. Senior data analyst salary will be 10 to 20 lakhs. Principal analyst or analytics manager salary will be like 25 to 48 lakhs per annum. So salaries vary greatly based on experience, skills, specialization, and industry. So we have offers running. Uh, so actual course price for data analytics is 45,000 plus GST is 18%. Course duration is 60 hours, and offer price is 27,000 plus GST with two installments. If at all you are doing one shot payment, we'll give it for 21,000. We have both online and offline classes. Any questions?
Hi, uh, myself Emma. I have completed my BCA, so now I'm looking for the job. So I have few questions here. This is regarding the difference. Just I want to know the difference between Excel because I worked in Excel before. So what is the difference between Excel and this one, ma'am?
Yeah, very good question, Hema. So with Excel, we can handle only smaller data sets. It cannot have very huge data like companies like Amazon, Flipkart, and all. They'll have orders almost lakhs together every day. So those such huge data cannot be imported in Excel. But Power BI can handle such large data sets. Excel is really good for quick analysis, but Power BI it gives more visualizations, advanced visualizations, and also Excel can handle only like fewer sources of data, whereas Power BI it can handle multiple sources. That's a difference.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now that I've completed my graduation, now I'm looking for jobs. In Bangalore, it is okay, but otherwise, if it is anywhere else, will you be able to? I'm currently in Bangalore only. So, how do we go for these jobs and interviews? Any